Okay, so let's take a look at how you can download your Salesforce Analytics dashboard as, let's say, as image. So what we'll do is log into developer edition of Salesforce Analytics, and then here we click on this app launcher, and then we will click on Analytics Studio. That should open in new tab. Now here what we'll do is we'll simply go to the dashboard that we wish to share. Now in preview mode, okay, so this is the view you see, edit mode. In preview mode, when you click on it, it should look something like this. Now if I want to, let's say, specifically output this as image, then what I'll do is click on share, and in share you see download options. You can download as image, and then you can view that image. Okay, simply click on that button once it downloads. It should open in image viewer. Okay, here you see, let me zoom in a bit. You get your dashboard output that looks like this. So you get the idea how to download your dashboard as image from Salesforce Analytics Studio.